Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we're going to go over how to clean your pool heater to get it ready for the season. The main reason I do clean it every year is I've had some chipmunks or moles or whatever build some little nest inside it, and then when you fire it up at the beginning of the season, it overheats and it will burn out a sensor inside it. So it's good to just go through and make sure nothing's inside it and clean everything out before you actually fire it up for the season. So here is our pool heater. It's a little dirty at the moment. I got to plug the power in so it's ready. I also have the gases shut off for the season, and I have to turn on the gas in the base here. So we're gonna go over all those things, and then how to remove the top and just clean out the inside if any critters have made a home inside. So first up, I got to go through and remove all these screws around the edges just so we can pop the top off. So now you can see inside here, you can't get too deep in. I'm only gonna just take off this top part just to see if anybody's made a home inside. It looks like nobody's made a home inside it this year, but we're just going to go through and take my shop vac and then sweep this out. So now it is all swept out inside. You can see it's a little cleaner, just leaves and stuff out of there. So next up, we got to take these two screws out in this one, and we're going to turn on the gas inside and get it ready to go. So now you can see the inside here. We're going to turn on the gas right here. Should just be that one. So now that's on. And then I gotta flip it on up here. Then finally we're gonna put the top back on and the front cover here. And then we'll go inside and turn on the gas and test it out. And now we are down in my basement and we're gonna turn on the gas down here. Sometimes this one's a little tight. There we go, got it. And finally, we gotta plug the heater in here so it can light itself. There it is, all plugged in. Hey, now we're gonna flip it on. Then I'm gonna turn the temperature up until we hear it start clicking on, which it just did right there. It's probably gonna take quite a few tries to light, just because the gas line's gonna be empty right now. Still going, takes a long time. And I just heard it, I heard the burners fire up, so we are good. I'm gonna let it run for an hour just to make sure everything's good on it. It should get hot up on top here. I'm just gonna make sure everything's good on it, and then we should be good for the summer. So thanks for coming along. That was how to clean and get your pool heater ready for the season. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There'll be more how-to videos. But remember, as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.